Hello everybody, I'm doing an open box on this product right here. Got a Channel Master 4-port coax amplifier for my house, and hopefully distribute the signal to all the rooms in the house. And I wanted to give you guys a heads up of what it looks like inside the box. So let's open this puppy here. Oops. Alright, here we go. Let's open it up. You probably know what this is. If you're already here watching this video, you know what this is about. So there you go. Let's look inside. First of all, it's a big stop sign. Okay. Please do not return. Okay. Alright, comes with a nice cable. That's very nice. It is a 18 gauge RG6 cable, just so you know. RG6, nice. And I can't tell if that's a compression fitting on that or not. Anyway, nice. So that, I believe this is going to be, I'll pull out a little bit there. This will be the power supply. There you are, yep. AC adapter to the wall, and then there's a coax. Hence the reason for the coax. That's your power cable. There you go, I'm learning. And the amplifier itself's under here. There it is. Whew, got a little heft to it. Alright, best I know is power goes in right here. Your input from your antenna here. And 4 outlets are right here. You get an instruction sheet as well. This is similar to the 1-port, the 2-port, and the 8 ports. I've got a 4. I use all of them there on all 4 rooms. Run them around with RG6. My existing cable wiring I have in the house, I'll just hook it up to that in the attic. I've already got an antenna installed up there on one of my beams in the attic right now. So once I get some more tools in, I will connect this to it. Looks like you can connect it right there to a wall. I'll try to put another video and show you what it looks like installed. Want to show you what it comes in the box. Appreciate you watching, everybody. Well, hello everybody, welcome back. Yeah, second part of the video. Well, here it is. I've installed the Channel Master distribution amp. Got all my lines hooked up. Get my light on it here. Got my 4 lines going out to the rooms in my house. That up there to the left is the power line. That right there is my antenna going out, and got the power running over there. Zip tied, connected to a extension cord because it was too far away. One of my coax cables was too short to make it closer to the extension, the outlet up here in the attic, so I had to move it up here. Anyway, it's nice and solid. Had to use some small screws with some washers. Focus for you here. Small screws with washers on there. They didn't come in the box, so you had to provide that yourself. Connected that, going all the way up here to my antenna over there. I'm using a GE 33692, and it's picking up 3 times the amount of channels I got previously with an indoor flat antenna through over the wall, by the window and that kind of thing. Yeah. And in fact, adding this DA distribution amplifier, I picked up about 10 extra channels with it. So anyway, all's good. Got it running all down. I zip tied it down here, and it's nice, neat, so I can walk through over here. Anyway, that's how I have it hooked up so far, and it's my first day, so we'll see how it goes. So hey, I appreciate you watching, and hope that helps you guys out in setting up your own antenna system for your house. Have a good one.